Hey YouTube, today I'm going to teach you about the Niji version of Midjourney, which aims to make pictures have a more cartoon or anime style. For the sake of the video, we're going to keep our prompt the same, and what it's going to be is warrior woman with a sword on her back, sunset, fearless. So we'll go ahead and enter this one, and then also, for the sake of comparison, we're going to add Niji to the end of this, which is how you generate these more anime looking images. So let's put Niji 5 at the end and see what the difference is. This shows a perfect example of what the difference of original Midjourney is versus Niji. So as you can see on the top images here, they look very realistic. Warrior woman with a sword, like we said. And then down here you can see how anime these ones look. So far different. In addition to just having the Niji version, Midjourney implemented a few different styles within that as well. So there are 3 different styles. The first one is cute, the second one is expressive, and the third one is scenic. As you can imagine, cute just makes the image a little bit more fun, cartoonish. Expressive makes the image a little bit more westernized, and then scenic makes the background more interesting. What I'll do is show you an example of each of these styles so that you can get an idea of what I mean. The first one being cute. And then we'll do that same prompt with style expressive. And then the last one is going to be scenic. So let's see what the difference in each of these is. Let's take a look. So the first one, which is cute, looks something like this. As you can see, kind of cute looking, smaller. Expressive, again, this is the more westernized one. And then lastly, we have scenic, which makes the background look amazing. So you can pick your favorite. I think they do a great job differentiating between all 3 of these, and you can create some pretty unique images. The last parameter that I wanted to bring up is the stylize parameter. So this is different than style, and what this does is basically tells Midjourney how much creative power you're giving them. So what I'm going to do is copy this cute variation, and then we're going to post it in the prompt here. And then at the end, to do the stylize parameter, you do --s, and then this ranges anywhere from 0 to 1000. So the default is 200. We're gonna crank this all the way up to 1000 and see how it changes the image. Here are the results. So you can see a little bit different. Midjourney had the power to do a little bit more with the images, but you can play around with that stylize and turn it anywhere from 0 to 1000 to get far different images. Thank you all for watching. I had a ton of fun playing around with Niji and learning the basics. I hope you do too. Stay tuned for more videos and take care.